Welcome everyone. This is a tutorial on how to get access to your degree evaluation and learn how to navigate through it. You're going to want to start by logging into your web portal using either your Red ID or SDSU ID and password. Your Red ID is a 9-digit ID plus your password, and your SDSU ID is a separate email address which you will need later to get into your degree evaluation. You will need to log into your account. Once you are logged in, on the top left corner, make sure you are under the Undergraduate tab. Right below that, you will see a sidebar with a list of options. You're going to want to click on the one that says Degree Evaluation. You will then click Verify and then select Here. This will redirect you to your degree evaluation login screen. Once this window has popped up on your screen, you will need your SDSU ID and password to log in. Make sure you only put the first part of your SDSU ID without the @sdsu.edu part as below. We are going to show you 3 options that you can select from. One, you can either run your degree evaluation with the information up to last semester's grades. 2, you can run an in-progress audit where it will show you how the courses you're currently enrolled in will satisfy requirements to complete your degree, assuming successful completion, and we will show you a what if major. Let's start with a degree evaluation that gives you the information up to last semester's grades. To run this audit, you will need to just select Run Declared Programs. Once you have selected this, your degree evaluation will load. Once it has loaded, you can select View Audit. On your audit, all completed requirements will appear in green and incomplete requirements will appear in red. Next, we are going to show you how to run an in-progress report, which shows completed requirements as well as in-progress coursework. The in-progress/future progress coursework will show up in blue and the completed requirements in green. To run this program, you will need to click here. You will then need to change report type to IPSS-IPSS and then select Run Declared Programs. When prompted, select View Audit. On your audit, all completed requirements will appear in green, incomplete requirements will appear in red, in progress/future progress courses will appear in blue, as you can see here. Finally, we are going to show you how to run a what if major degree evaluation. This is a degree evaluation ran under a different major. This does not officially change your major. Results show the remaining requirements you would have if you were to change your major. To begin with, you will need to select the button that says Select a different undergraduate program. Once in here, you will need to select the degree that you would like to change to. In this example, we will be selecting accounting. You will then click Run Different Program. Your degree evaluation will load and show you the courses that you would need to take and the ones you have fulfilled if you were that major you had selected. As you can see, this degree evaluation was ran for accounting, and at the top of the degree evaluation, it says What If Audit to confirm you are running a What If degree evaluation. If you have any questions, you are more than welcome to meet with an advisor from the Office of Advising and Evaluations through virtual advising. Check out our website at advising.sdsu.edu for more information such as advising hours and the meeting code. Thank you.